I'm Staff Sergeant Kyle William Douglas, and I'm from MWSS 471 out of Michigan. So our role here at Northern Strike is to be able to provide joint operations in the form of potable water, shower units, and bulk fuel distribution. In order to be able to provide potable water to the joint forces, we do a route reconnaissance out to the water point that is best suited for the gear. And then from that point, we set up our purification equipment that pulls that raw water source and pushes it through a reverse osmosis system in order to reduce the pH level and the TDS in order to provide consumptional, drinkable, potable water. So in order to actually make a lake an actual drinkable water source, being that it is actually 53 parts per million, the TWPS takes it and runs it through several filters at 6 different stages in order to reduce that down to only 5 parts per million. And then we'll be able to balance that out to the pH level of almost near perfect 7. A lot of Marines like to brag that our TWPS water is better than bottled water. With an average bottle of water anywhere from 100 to 200 parts per million, our actual TDS coming out of the TWPS today is actually 0.8 parts per million. The great thing about being here at Northern Strike is the fact that our unit is from Pennsylvania, Minneapolis, Minnesota, and Detroit, Michigan. This brings us all here so that way we can provide drinking water, shower units for our utilities Marines. Our bulk fuelers are providing actual F-24 fuels to other units. Here at Northern Strike, the great opportunity that it provides us in being able to take our Marines to meet their utilities providing support to an airfield structure is great because it increases their mission essential tasks. It's able to actually give them I-provided water to a unit. Those Marines really get that actual true realistic training. They're not just coming in for another day to run the equipment, do a PM, and then dump that water on the ground. They know there is a lifeline that is providing. The greatest thing about Northern Strike for us is we're able to hit 23 different mission essential tasks that our unit is required to, and we're able to bring it up a whole 20% better training readiness than we were before by just sitting at home sites. I love the Northern Great Lakes. I wish our unit was actually up here at Camp Grayling. It'd be way more beneficial for our unit down in Selfridge, Michigan to come up to Northern Strike every year, all year long.